The Alhambra of Granada is a symbol of beauty and inspiration that transcends the boundaries of Spain. Its magic resounds throughout the entire world. For nearly 50 years, its magic has also inspired luthiers in the noble art of making Spanish guitars. Each individual guitar has its own sound because of the unique combination of woods that go into its construction, which is carried out in distinct phases of activity and rest under conditions of low humidity. The inland Mediterranean climate is ideal for working with wood because it has just the right level of moderate humidity with little variation. Cedar, spruce, rosewood, ebony, cypress, fine hardwoods, selected in their countries of origin, are aged for years in open storage facilities where they dry naturally before they are placed in the hands of expert craftsmen and processed using only traditional methods. Traditional master guitar makers must be very patient. They know the importance of perfect timing and are well versed in the techniques that influence the quality of the instruments they make. José María Vilaplana is representative of the experience and expertise of traditional luthiers and has passed on his knowledge and wisdom to a second generation of guitar makers. The Alhambra sound is kept alive thanks to the philosophy of sharing this invaluable know-how within a company that appreciates the importance of training its new employees well. Most of them stay with the company until retirement. All of the component parts that a guitar is comprised of are cut in the sawmill, the first step in a process that ends 2 months later with a final check before the instrument is stored in the warehouse for subsequent distribution. The arrangement and design of the individual pieces contribute to the perfection of the instrument and give it its characteristic sound. The neck is joined to the body by means of a careful process based on the system of the Spanish heel, a characteristic feature of Alhambra guitars. The braces vary in number and placement depending on the characteristics of the respective model. The wood, the type of instrument and its dimensions, the design of the individual components, the placement of the braces, the various polishes and varnishes. The future owner of an Alhambra guitar can choose from an infinite number of combinations. The perfect combination of traditional handwork and modern technology enable the musician to create and perfect a personal sound. Alhambra guitars embody both traditional guitar-making techniques, but also innovation and new technologies. The traditional handcrafting of stringed instruments is replicated in an independent, specialized production facility that covers the entire range of standard products in the Alhambra catalogue. The production processes are respectful of environmental concerns. Hazardous materials, like the traces of glue and varnishes, are handled in certified facilities where a suction system expedites the recovery of wood chips for conversion into briquettes used for heating. The Alhambra sound is embodied in 5 main product lines. A range of products that is evolving constantly thanks to technological innovation that makes it possible to take advantage of better methodologies that ultimately ensure excellent sound. The reliability of the instruments is endorsed by a guarantee of up to 3 years. The company certifies the provenance of each guitar using a computerized system that facilitates its subsequent identification. These aspects guarantee the success of a brand that is known and respected throughout the world, present in more than 50 countries, from Japan to South America, with a consolidated network of distributors, including a wholly owned subsidiary in the United States. The Alhambra International Guitar Competition, which attracts some of the world's most renowned musicians, represents the company's investment in musical culture and the promotion of the artistry of Spanish guitar. Designed in Spain and renowned the world over. Beauty and inspiration join forces in the sound of an Alhambra guitar.